Hey guys, I finally had time where I pulled the battery out of the Cherokee. I wanted to show you guys the case suspension headlight relay kit. It's really simple. It's one hot wire, two grounds, and then it's plug and play off your headlights. It's going to be a short video. There's not much to the kit. Installs in about 15 to 20 minutes depending how clean you want it. Like I said, I just pulled the battery, so I was finally able to get my relays secured with some sheet metal screws to make it look clean. So let me give you a quick view. The case suspension headlight kit, hot wire off the main stud here on the fuse block. It has an inline fuse, and then it goes to your relays. That's your constant hot for your relays. Then this loom right here runs down the little grill in behind the passenger headlight. It plugs into the passenger headlight socket. That'll supply your power on your high and your low beams for your relays to then send signal back to your headlights. Once you get behind the headlight, there is a new plug with a wiring harness that runs behind the grille to the driver's side headlight. Now, the Cherokees, from what I heard, are known for faulty headlight switches and not being able to handle the power draw of halogens. The case suspension kit, wiring relay kit, eliminates the issues by allowing the relays to absorb some of the hit from the power. I highly recommend this kit. Once again, Case Suspension has made another outstanding product that, for the simplest of installs. And Rafi at Case Suspension, give him a shout out if you guys have any questions, concerns. He has always been helpful whenever I have anything regarding my Cherokee. So that's the basic part of the kit. Simple install and well worth the money. I believe the kit was 25 to 30 bucks for the relay kit. And then whatever the cost of whatever headlights you want to put on your Cherokee. Thanks for checking out.